If Thursday got you aimlessly scrolling through those throwback posts, Bollywood is here to spice up your feed. From Salman Khan saving many young stars by calling out an imposter to Amitabh Bachchan signaling the start of a new era in Bollywood, Kartik Aaryan putting his scruffy look to vote, and more. We've got all the exciting beats on today's episode of Bollybuzz. Tring, tring. It's a controversy calling, but lucky for everyone, Salman Khan stepped right in and saved the day. Actor Vikas Manaktala alerted young talents about an impersonator asking for profile shots and videos on behalf of Salman's production house for a shot at a role in the actor's next film. Before any young aspiring actor could fall prey to these vicious tactics, Salman issued a statement promising legal action against the imposters and also warning fans, "We have not hired any casting agents for any of our future films. Please do not trust any email or messages received by you for this purpose. Don't worry, Salman, Bolly will help you spread the word." In another scary incident that came our way, Kurush Daruwala, father of Race 3 actor Freddie Daruwala, has tested positive for COVID-19. Our bees flew by to check in on the family and their 15-month-old son, and the actor spilled his heart out in an exclusive chat. From sharing his concern about his father's diagnosis to measures taken to help him on his road to recovery, and even sharing deeds about little Ivan dealing with the crisis while locked up in his room with mommy, Freddie told us all. Want to know more? Head over to eTimes to read this exclusive chat. COVID-19 has led to the dawn of the digital age in Bollywood, and who better than megastar Amitabh Bachchan to herald in this new era? Our bees brought to you the confirmed news from the man himself, revealing that his film Gulabo Sitabo will not have a theatrical release but a digital one. Reflecting on his 51 years in the film industry, he said, "During this formidable period, seen many changes and challenges. Now another challenge, digital release of my film Gulabo Sitabo. Honored to be a part of yet another challenge. You lead, Mr. Bachchan, and watch them all follow." Meanwhile, Kartik Aaryan's hairy tales continue. The actor put his once dreamy face, now hiding behind a scruffy beard and unkempt hair, on the line and asked fans to vote for or against his facial fuzz. Whatever the results may be and whether or not he will continue his no-shave streak, we're glad at least Deepika Padukone voted for a trim, to say the least. Looks like Ranveer Singh's flawlessly symmetrical beard, combed to perfection, is all the scruff this beauty and this bee can take right now. And because our daily updates are never done without talking about matters of the heart, our bees brought back some touchy deeds that were too sweet to miss. We heard that the late Rishi Kapoor was playing the perfectly supportive dad to son Ranbir Kapoor, who wanted a small, intimate and very private wedding. Meena Iyer, who wrote Rishi's autobiography Khullam Khulla, told us all the exclusive deeds that the late veteran star said he would be okay if Ranbir wanted an intimate wedding because it was his call. "I am okay with 45 odd people too. I will tell my friends well-wishers to bless them. I will apologize and explain that everyone couldn't be invited because Ranbir is a private person. I respect his privacy," Rishi was quoted saying. Now, doesn't that bring tears to your eyes? Excuse this bee while she goes and dries out those tears. Until next time, make sure to stop by for some more of your favorite Bollywood news, gossip and more. Bye-bye.